Everyone get the B-roll footage from the escalator. Get the B-roll footage from above. Oh, there's a lot of people here. Whoa. So we got the samurai pickup with a samurai sword right there. Hell of a costume. Dude, just when you've seen it all, this model's got a samurai sword. Hold on, wait. Just, here we go. Whoa. What the fuck is going on here? I'm gonna chop you up, son. Oh my goodness, whoa. This is a Hattori Hanzo blade. I like the organization of the up garage here, guys. The yellow nylon cord to hold in the crowd right here, guys. And to keep traffic flowing right over here. If you watched my previous videos on the Tokyo Auto Salon from 2017, 2018, there's a lot of this going on, guys. Look at the crowd. No one's looking at the car. Alright, moving along. Here we go. What do we got? Oh no! What the heck? Is that forged carbon on the body panels on this Nissan GTR? Dude, the outfits are on point, guys. Look at that. Rocking it. Yes! In the previous years, I've noticed a technique. It's the sideways camcorder technique. Does that really, like, if I tilt my camcorder this way, like vertically, does that get you like a better shot? Like, I never understood that. But oh, better be careful while you cross those legs, because you know, one wrong move, it's fucking game over, and it's the money shot for these gentlemen right over here. Back at the Boomcraft stand here, we got Darth Vader again, 2 years in a row, guys. We're currently here at the Suzuki stand for the new Jimny Sierra. So this year, the new Jimny is making a big splash here at the Tokyo Auto Salon. We got the Mini G63. Ain't that cute? Huge hit around the world. It was not really sold in the US up until 96, 97. So we got the G63 for comparison and the Suzuki Jimny G63. Yes. Spider-Man go-kart. Gotta get one of those. These two guys, front and center. Hold on, check this out. You know, they got zoom, so do I. You see the guy with a camcorder? How content and happy he is. Just like, yes, I got the shot. Well, party's over. That's it. Just like that, the crowd disperses and moves on to the next target. Oh yeah. Oh, I think they're all comparing what kind of shots they all got. So one might say, according to Stratman, you got views on views, we got creeps on creeps. Look how quickly they congregate within seconds of the model appearing. But it is neither here or there. I might not like it, but you know what, guys? I accept it. We're going to keep on rolling that way. We got a live performance coming up in about 30 minutes, so God bless Aston Martin AMR. But dude, you guys want to attract more people on your stand? You got to do one simple thing. Instead of having a dude, get a girl. Got a show. We're not really sure what to expect, guys. Here we go. Dude, guys, I'm really digging this song right now. Trying some damn it. Hold on, here we go. I think I got it. I don't know about you guys, but that was kind of a lackluster show, so to speak. Yes. The outfit, SpongeBob backpack, 10 out of 10. We got the Lexus LC500, URZ100 with all the specs. Oh, it doesn't matter. Yup. for a photo with a model here. Hold on. You guys understand how many people are here? I know we're here, we're supposed to be covering cars, but I feel like it's the 2019 Tokyo Model Salon. That being said, honestly, there's actually fewer models than last year. Here we go. It's got a full appreciation of what's really going on here, guys. I wonder if I stand right behind this van while being everyone's photo. Dude, cosplaying here. Yeah, check that out. Hold on. Yes. The anticipation is building here at my own stand at Tokyo Auto Salon, the Gordon stand. The DJ is prepping. There's a suspicious looking pole right over there. All right, guys, the show is finally starting. I'm gonna raise my camera with my tripod. No one's feeling the beat. Uh-oh, something's happening. Clothes are being taken off, guys. Hold on. We might have a theory here, guys. They're shooting vertical to get the whole girl in frame. Check this out. See what this guy's doing? That's fucking technique, man. He's trying to wave at them. Yeah. He's got the stand. He's got the mini stand. No fucking way. To restrain the photographers with this neon green line here. Look at that. Do not cross. Do not pass go. Do not collect $200, guys. What do we got? Oh. The money shot. Yes. She's eating like sushi out of the trunk of this car here. Hold on, hold on. Yikes. And I don't want to give everyone like the wrong impression that this whole show is just a bunch of perverts, but there's some cool stuff here. A lot of manufacturers, a lot of normal activity. This is just about 50% of the show, so let's keep on trucking and keep on moving. This man has brought himself to bring his own box to use as a personal stand to get the shot, guys. The shot of a lifetime. So there's less need. You guys are in luck. We just happened to chance upon another show. The countdown begins. Are there ladies gonna walk around? Or will they be dancing? Who knows? Dude, the air is getting a little jizzy, guys. It's hot, humid. What the fuck? We literally left this show 30 minutes ago, and it's still going, and there's twice as many more people here. This is out of control. I can't even see the goddamn stand. We're at the Anija stand, and serious ass motherfucker. Not even flinching. An inch, not even an inch, guys, or a centimeter. This guy's so serious. So serious. The mascot's pissed off. Oh. He or she is pissed. Oh, got the high five. There you go. Happy mascot. Happy mascot. Speaking of mascots, yes. Yes, sir. It's a very sad penguin. Or it's not sad. He looks angry, actually. Oh, yeah. It does look like an angry bird. You're right. Yes. Very nice. Yes. Very nice. Oh.